Tonight's dinner is inspired by a recipe I found on TikTok, which I had imported into my ReciMe app, and it gave me all the ingredients and the instructions. This app has saved me so much time when it comes to grocery shopping and meal planning. You're able to save all the recipes that you find on TikTok or Instagram all in one place. It will automatically create an ingredients list for you when you go to the store, so you don't have to do it manually. And you can also organize all your recipes into a meal plan for the week.